Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today we're going to have us some fried bananas. We're going to make some good fried bananas. And just sit back and watch how I do this. And what we'll need is 3 to 4 cups of all-purpose flour. So we're going to put that in there. If you want 1 1/3 cups of sugar or Splendid, ground cinnamon. So put that in there. About a half a tablespoon. Next you want a half a teaspoon of salt. Next you want a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Next you want a tablespoon and a half of butter. Might as well make that 2. Next you have 1 egg. Next you want a half a cup of milk. Want to beat this up with your blender or mixer. Mix it in real good. Incorporate the batter. If you want to chop up some bananas like this, get them all ready. Then we're going to put these into the freezer for a while, get them frozen a little bit before we start this process. Okay, what we're going to do, we got to get this all coated around. Use this tongs to get it in there. Okay, then we're going to put this over in the batter. Let that soak in there. Okay, this is what the banana bites look like when they're done here. We're going to do a taste test on one of these, and I'll let you know how they turned out. Oh my god, it's so creamy. That is so creamy. It's like a donut. So good. The dough, the recipe I put in this, the cinnamon brings out the flavor with the bananas. Check this video out, comment on it, leave me a subscribe, and I'll make more videos.